Warm greetings from TNV Academy. Today in this session we are with you to discuss a very interesting topic, which is Internet of Things, commonly known as IoT. However, before we move forward, let me tell you about the key learning of this session. At the end of this session, you will be able to understand what is Internet of Things, benefit of IoT, how does IoT work, advantages and disadvantages of IoT, what is industrial IoT, examples of IoT. So let's start our discussion and take up the first point of discussion, which is what is Internet of Things. The term IoT or Internet of Things refers to the collective network of connected devices and the technologies that facilitates communication between device and the cloud, as well as between the device themselves. The Internet of Things describes the network of physical objects, things that are embedded with sensor, software and other technologies for the purpose of connecting and exchanging data with other devices and systems over the internet. A thing in the Internet of Things can be a person with heart monitor implant, a frame animal with a bioclip transponder, an automobile that has built-in sensor to alert the device when tire pressure is low, or any other natural or man-made object that can be assigned an internet protocol address and is able to transfer data over a network. Increasingly, organizations in a variety of industries are using IoT to operate more effectively, better understand customer, to deliver enhanced customer service, improve decision making and increase the value of the business. For consumers, this means interacting with the global information network without the intermediator of a keyboard and screen Alex, for example. In enterprises setting, IoT can bring the same efficiency to manufacturing processes and distribution systems that the internet has long delivered to knowledge work. Billions of embedded internet-enabled sensory worldwide provide an increasingly rich set of data that companies can use to improve the safety of their operation, track assets, and reduce manual processes. Data from machines can be used to predict whether equipment will break down, giving manufacturers advanced warning to prevent long stretches of downtime. Researchers can also use IoT device to gather data about customer preferences and behavior. Through that can have serious implications for private and security. Now let us discuss few benefits of IoT technology. The Internet of Things offers several benefits to organizations. Some benefits are industry specific and some are applicable across multiple industries. Some of the common benefits of IoT enable business to monitor their overall business processes, improve the customer expenses, save time and money, enhance employee productivity, integrate and adopt business model, make better business decisions and generate more revenue. We now move forward and discuss how does IoT works. An IoT ecosystem consists of web-enabled smart devices that use embedded systems such as processors, sensor and communication hardware to collect, send and act on data they acquire from their environments. IoT devices share the sensor data they collect by connecting to an IoT gateway or other edge device where data is either sent to the cloud to be analyzed or analyzed locally. Sometimes these devices communicate with other related devices and act on the information they get from one and another. The devices do most of the work without human intervention, although people can interact with the devices for intents to set them up, give them instructions or across the data. Let us now take up the next point of discussion, which is advantages and disadvantages of IoT. Some of the advantages of IoT include the following: ability to access information for anywhere at any time or any device, improve communication between connected electronic devices, transferring data package over a connected network, saving time and money, and automatic tasks helping to improve the quality of a business's services and reducing the need for human intervention. Some disadvantages of IoT include the following. As the number of connected devices increases and more information is shared between devices, the potential that a hacker could steal confidential information as increases. Enterprises may eventually have to deal with massive numbers, may even millions, of IoT devices, and collecting and managing the data from all those devices will be changing. If there's a bug in the system, it's likely that every connected device will become corporated. Since there's no international standard of compatibility for IoT, it's difficult for devices from different manufacturers to communicate with each other. Now let us discuss the term industrial IoT. Industrial IoT refers to the application of IoT technology in industry settings, especially with respect to instrumentation and control of sensors and devices that engage cloud technologies. Recently, industries have used machine-to-machine communication to achieve wireless automation and control. But with the emergence of cloud and aligned technologies such as analytic and machine learning, industry can achieve a new automation layer and with it create new revenue and business models. Industry IoT is sometimes called the fourth wave of the industry revolution or industry 4.0. The following are the some common use for industrial IoT. Smart manufacturing, connected assets and preventive and predictive maintenance, smart power grids, smart cities, connected logistics, and smart digital supply chain. And now, as the final point of discussion, let us look at the few examples of IoT. First one is connected cars. There are many ways vehicles such as cars can be connected to the internet. It can be through smart DSCOMs, informative systems, or even the vehicle's connected gateway. They collect data from the escalator, breakers, speedometer, odometer, wheels and fuel tanks to monitor both driver performance and vehicle health. Second, connected homes. Smart home devices are mainly focused on improving the efficiency and safety of the house as well as improving home networking. Devices like smart outlet monitor electricity uses and smart thermostators provide better temperature control. Hydroponic system can use IoT sensors to manage the garden while IoT smoke detector can detect tobacco smoke. Home security system like door, locks, security cameras and water leakage detector can detect and prevent threats and send alerts to homeowner. Smart cities. IoT applications have made urban planning and infrastructure maintenance more efficient. Governments are using IoT application to tackle problems in infrastructure, health and the environment. Fourth and our last point, that is smart building. Buildings such as college campuses and commercial buildings use IoT application to derive greater operational efficiencies. IoT devices can be used in smart buildings for reducing energy consumption, lowering maintenance costs, utilizing workspace more efficiently. We have now come to the conclusion of this session. In case if you have any question regarding today's topic, then please feel free to ask them in the comment section of the video and we will be really happy answering them. Till we meet next, it's best wishes from TNV Academy.